On today's Fit to Eat, Chef Rob Stinson shows us a new way to étouffée with this delicious Creole shrimp recipe. This whole dish can be prepared in one pan, so not only is it easy to prepare, it's easy to clean up as well. Oh, and it tastes delicious too. First things first, we chop. Heat up a half teaspoon of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add in the onion, green bell pepper, and celery. Give it a good stir, adding in the garlic along the way. Season our Trinity base with a half teaspoon of black pepper, a quarter teaspoon of white pepper, a pinch of cayenne pepper, and a quarter teaspoon of oregano. In order to thicken up our mixture, add in 1 ounce of finely grated cauliflower, which is about 2 flowerets. Cauliflower is a great substitution for regular flour. It accomplishes the same thing, but without all the extra carbs and gluten. Add in the red bell peppers for some nice color, and continue to stir. It's time for the guest of honor, the shrimp. Add in 4 ounces of peeled shrimp. And while just about any shrimp will do, the more local it is, the better it will be. While the shrimp cooks, add in a half teaspoon of basil and the chopped tomatoes. Take a splash of red wine or water and use it to deglaze the pan. This gets a lot of that extra seasoning off of the pan and into the food. Add in a spoonful of tomato paste and work it into the dish. When the shrimp have cooked through and are a light pink color, we'll have this incredible Creole shrimp étouffée that is fit to eat. This recipe pairs perfectly with the Creole-style brown rice cakes. The link to that recipe is in the description below. If you'd like to see the full episode this recipe came from, visit mpbonline.org/fit-to-eat or follow the link in the description below. Chef Rob talks with Chef Enrica Williams, owner of Fauna Foodworks in Jackson. The shrimp étouffée, rice cakes, and a twist on turnip greens come together to make a fantastic plate of food. For more Fit to Eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.